Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into Camel-Ai, a new LLM platform that's been making waves in the AI space. The question is Camel-Ai actually good? We tested it ourselves and here's what we found. Camel-Ai markets itself as a collaborative AI agent platform. It uses LLM agents that can talk to each other to solve problems, write content, or generate code, kind of like ChatGPT having a team meeting with itself. At first glance, the UI is clean, minimalist, and easy to navigate. No steep learning curve. We ran Camel-Ai through a few real-world tasks, writing blog outlines, generating scripts, and even debugging code. The results? Surprisingly competent. The back and forth between the AI agents gives it a more thoughtful output. It's not just copy paste GPT. There's context, structure, and even creativity in longer tasks. We found it especially useful for idea generation, strategic planning, and role based writing. However, there were occasional hiccups. Sometimes the agents would veer off a topic or loop. And while Camel AI is impressive, it's still in development. It won't replace a team just yet, but it can definitely assist one. So, is Camel AI worth it? We think yes. It's not a magic button, but for teams and solo creators who want a collaborative AI powered brainstorming partner, it's worth exploring. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart and simple and scam free.